Spirit team, what is it you would like to share with me today? We are thrilled for this connection and this deeper understanding between you and the all, and us and the all. We are stepping towards a deeper understanding as you are starting to notice energies and waves that is a constant around you. We are thrilled to see the steps that you're making towards the expansion of who you are. We are bringing forward little nuggets to help you comprehend and then bring forward more of that of which you are. We are continuing to deepen your understanding, and you will be guided towards actions that will help you continue this understanding. We ask that you listen and take those actions that we are giving you, as this will continue forward the nature of which you desire. That is all.